Here's a quick run through real fast. All I basically did is I published it so you guys can log in now. When you go to this brand kit area here, you will then see all of this. So right now everything is not filled out, but you'll be able to go in and you can set the colors. You can choose what type of color it is. These logo sections don't work yet, but I'm working on that. Everything else is working. So you can go in and choose a font file if you want, upload it, and just kind of play around and see how that stuff works. If you do have any questions or anything like that, just let me know. Also, if you set a background color and a heading color or body color in these, it'll also give you the accessibility color contrast rating based on your colors. So if we were to choose white here, and then I'm just gonna set this to full black just for the ease so we can see it. Save brand kit. We come up here, we can see the brand kit's updated. We'll go ahead and reload just so you guys can see it. And then right here, we have the contrast level 21. We have pass. If we were to change this to EF, save brand kit, this obviously is not going to pass. And I can already see here that I need to manually refresh that one. That gets changed, but that's okay. You can see here that it fails, so you can at least see what that is, and then what the score is to pass for that level of accessibility. And if you don't have the color here, it just isn't going to give you anything. I think that's 6, yeah. Okay, X, save. But what it will give you is the color variants. So if we wanted to pull it to RGBA or RGB or any of these other formats, I've personally never used any of these, just the top 3, but these are available for us to use for conversions. And we have a quick and easy copy button, so we can literally just copy it and then we can paste it in to the next one as we go. So let me know if you guys have any questions. Hopefully this should make branding and stuff easier. We'll get the logos taken care of probably later this week. And let me know if you have any questions.